So in this video, we're going to quickly cover how to add a new item to your menu. If this is your first time on this page, this will likely all be blank, but don't worry, you can get this filled up very quickly. So first, on the top left, we're going to click Add New, and then we're going to click Item. And I'm just going to add in some test information here, like test item and test description. For a price, I'm just going to choose $10 just to keep it a nice flat rate. And I'm going to add it to the entrees category. And now we can assign some tags and allergies. So I'll just quickly click on a few here. And this last option, hide from menu, is useful if you have packages and you want this item to show in packages, but you don't want it to show a la carte. That's when you would go ahead and toggle that. But in this case, we do want this to show a la carte, so we'll leave it blank. I'm going to skip over ingredients for now because there's going to be a whole video covering that. And we're going to come to variations. So under variations, we could add sizes. So I can call the first size standard. You see the price is already set at 10. And we could add the next size, which I'll call family size. And we could change that price to be $13. Then we could also add some components, right? So let's say we want them to choose your side dish. So let me just type in choose your side. And let's say they could choose a minimum of one and they could even choose a maximum of two, right? So then we could write in something like white rice. We could add an option, and this could be jasmine rice, or they could even add something like asparagus, and that might cost more. So what we could do is we could actually here in the price column add an upcharge. So if they choose an asparagus, that's an extra $1. And let's say these are all the options that we wanted to add. Instead of going through and making sure that they're set for every single size, we could just go ahead and hit duplicate option for all sizes. And you see now we have white rice for family style, jasmine rice for family style, and asparagus for family style. But maybe we just want to adjust that price on the family style asparagus to be $2 because it's likely a larger portion. But with this system, you can quickly create a lot of customization for meals. And then finally, add-ons. This is usually something that's just, instead of an optional component, just something like add cheese, or extra protein, where it's just $1 and they click on that and it's going to add that in. Again, we'll go over all the ingredients in another video. And here we just hit duplicate all sizes. And now you see it's also added add cheese as a family size. I can hit $2 to increase that price as well. And the final tab would be gallery if you wanted to add multiple images of that meal. And with that, I can go ahead and just click OK. And I'm just going to quickly refresh the page and come to create manual order. And you can see right here at the top of my menu is that new test item I created. And if I click on it, it'll give me the option of my two sizes. And when I choose one of those sizes, it's going to give me the options that I just set up for white rice, jasmine rice, asparagus, and the add cheese. So I can come in here and make my choices and click add to bag, and it's that simple. Lastly, and very quickly, if you wanted to quickly then make more similar meals, when you come to add a new item, you could actually copy an existing template. So I could come here and I could start typing in test. I click on test item, and it's now going to pre-fill this entire meal with everything that I've already set up. And all I want to do is most likely change the name of this. In this case, I'll just make this test item 2. And then you can come and tinker and change any of these other features or options however you want. And you could very quickly create a second, a third, a fourth, a fifth meal, as long as they somewhat resemble each other in form.